Hello, everybody. What's going on, buddies? Welcome to DevOps Weekly Series. In this episode, we're gonna learn about OCI image layout, uh, okay, Open Container Initiative. In this, you can see this blog here, which I already have open for you from one of the blogs. Uh, Published on CDF community, and in the CDF community page they have a lot of other blogs, so I picked up this blog. We really, um, yeah, I would say uh, one of the really emerging technology. In the context of security, so we are now concerned about our image properties, how we can actually secure about that. So now Docker is moving to another world. So why not we can do it ourselves, making our own image. So this OCI image just just allows you to draw your image just like Docker image. So you must have knowledge of like Docker image, creating Docker containerization, kind of things, layers, and other things. So this blog is really good for you. So let's go ahead. Here, as you can see, it's nicely talking about this OCI uh, adaptation to containers. It increases new open standard can round containers to avoid handler locking. So here it is now comes into the stage to play its role. So just providing the open standard for container images, runtimes, certainly distribution. So again, but will no longer be the well in the sea that mentioned. Now let's see what it does do for us. Uh, Here you can see a specification was created based on image manifest, Docker image manifest. So we'll just look into this just moment after. And yeah, Docker schema, and here strictly and standard version defines OCI image consists of image manifest, image index, file system layers and configuration. So this all that board highlighted items are showing that we can jump to its GitHub readme file. I mean its markdown file, and you can see the details as well. But we can still understand from these terms and these jargons. So, in version 2.2 Docker manifest JSON blob, just like it has a structure in deploying with the following fields. But still, if you want to understand a few JSON blob, what are they? We can just move to the another tab and see what are they, right? So we have create JSON blob showing their ways to how this actually gives you in this real world. So this is kind of structure for this one, right? And just for this one you can see just simply we can make it like here, and it is just replicating this JSON blob, showing this into simple uh, term uses. Okay, so let's we can we can't like, do it with anything. So I can do message the URL, but we don't have URL, so I can't do this anything here. Let's jump to that tag. So here, this is talking about these fields. You can see schema persons, media type is really most important part of here. Then config descriptor of container configuration blob, layers descriptors of layer. So for more understanding of descriptor, you can check this out. But again, here in this example, we can learn more about this BGBox image. So it is talking about the BGBox image. This is just a part, just like it is encrypting this image. But again, this is all uh, part of JSON blob, part of this format, Docker format, manifest format. Sorry. So again, this is how it looks like in the Docker Hub. So again, here this is talking about defining this, why it must set these are necessaries. And so for OCI manifest, and this is kind of chain guard static image talking about. So you can like see this kind of like format as well. Again, you can like create your own, so you don't have to worry about that. It's image layout structure. You can see the blobs containing those all those such a, and then with that every layers has their own kind of naming. So manifest config and other layers as well. But OCI layout can again configure ourselves, right? So here we have other image builders. Local build Xco, Coinico already support outputting the image that they build in the form of OCI image layout on disk. So no, we don't have to worry about this. SQL tools for the interacting with OCI registries, Screen, Scopio, Cuddle also have the ability to convert the container images to OCI image layout. Then we don't have to worry. You can use this kind of tools to do this work. Now saving OCI image to disk. So as I mentioned, Docker build X is allowing us to build this image into image OCI image layout. So to mention the type, the destination file, .tar file, and inside this we can just for simplification they have used just very simple BGBox image. Doing what? Just echoing hello world. So now in this again another command you can say that see that this is importing this uh, OCI directory, right? Now in the next part you can see the tree part is having now all those structure, right? Image layout structure. So now again let's demonstrate another approach. So to save it in the form of same image on the disk, we can use direct cuddle image copy. So now this copy is copying that image into this that directory. And now again in this in second part we can check this JSON file which contains that same schema and format just like above we have seen. In the next part, you can check out this OCI layout. It's image layout person. You can check from there. But yeah, blobs ID contains the content addressable blobs, and this is where everything we have learned about content images so far makes sense. And let's verify by simply running sum 25 256 command against one of the files. So you can just check this uh, verify this layout. HSA 256. And the next thing, negating the land of OCI image layout. So consists of three main elements as I just mentioned: config block, manifest block, a bunch of layer block as I mentioned in the above. So this is like diagram is showing about this manifest image manifest containing these layers in the image. There, this image manifest containing this one. Now this ARM-B7 is containing this kind of. So every you can see in the layer, you can see this HSA56 is containing their, you know, uh, digest. So everywhere the blobs is attached to it. So there, this is kind of the format of this one. Again, you have to figure out again to check every container image is matched against your own image layout. So again, you have to um, look at the index JSON for, like you can see that digest above, which is this one, reach out to the manifest blob. If the image has been built from multiple architectures, we should use the digest of the corresponding operating system arc that we are taking care of, specified within the platform field. How it will be like, let's see again, config and manifest are just regular JSON files. Okay, now you can see their content by simply running the cat command. Okay, that is also okay. That is also okay. Like you can see, this config is containing its own JSON uh, I mean contents, and there you can see in this another layer, you can see only one layer containing its own um, contents. So manifest blob points to um, the config blob, okay, and the layer blobs. So you can find the digest of the config blob by looking at the config file. Okay, this is like they have mentioned this way. Now, we are now along in this here, and looking at their configurations, the AMD64, this architecture, just like above, it has been mentioned. So the way it has been done, we can now mm, uh, look at the Helm chart. So how you can actually compare against that? So you can follow the official documentation, but start publishing your Helm charts to OCI registries. uh, so yeah, it's not let me see if this is recorded or not. No, I can't see. But I believe this is recorded or not, I'm not sure, but I have to check it again. So if it is not, then I have to attach this link to in my video. So here you can see the manifest of OCI image. How does it looks like? So using the direct curl command, you can just um, is print its JSON um, manifest blob. So and also it includes a Helm chart that is really amazing. So you can see now that image full from Docker uh, is now having invalid root fs image configuration. Mm, but here, why it's strange? This I'm trying to explain. So this our amazing blogger. Sorry, I should say, um, yeah, blogger. But again, is the author of this blog. So he is really very researched way to define this all over here. So here you can see the essential part of this. So then now it is how to interpret that blob. And this suggestion is done here. So now does not interprets Docker, not interpreting the OCI different media types. So this didn't work, which is trying to say about here. So how to interpret with these media types, talking about this concluding part. But this second part in this way, and maybe in the early period of 2023, maybe this is now January, maybe we can expect this in coming months. But yeah, that will be really amazing part when we're dealing with the CI/CD pipelines. But again, stay tuned with us for just understanding the main parts to see. So until then, uh, see you. Bye bye. Take care. See you again. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share with your friends, your fellows.